Is jennybag.com the ultimate destination for stylish, multifunctional travel bags, or is it just another flashy store with big promises and disappointing results? If you've seen their ads on Instagram or TikTok, you're not alone. Their sleek bags and lifestyle marketing definitely catch the eye. The site has been active since February 2024 and has built a decent following on social media, which gives it an appearance of legitimacy. But once we looked beyond the surface, the picture started to change. Many users report that the bags they received were cheaply made and didn't match the quality shown in the ads, with zippers breaking and materials feeling flimsy. Even worse, customer service appears to be nearly non-existent, with several people saying their emails went unanswered and returns were never processed. The refund process is also a major point of frustration. Most users claim they either never received their money back or were completely ignored. There are also signs the store may be operating under a dropshipping model, meaning the products are likely sourced from third-party suppliers and shipped without quality control. That could explain the long delivery times and inconsistent product experiences. While not every order ends badly, the overall trend isn't exactly encouraging. So if you're thinking of grabbing a bag from jennybag.com, this review covers everything we uncovered, both the surface-level appeal and the real experiences shared by actual customers.